Hi, welcome to the video manual for Sentinel Mobile Shop software. In this video, I will explain you how to configure the mobile shop software. You will see a icon on your desktop. So once you double click or single click, depend on the settings, the software will start loading and it will bring you to the login page. By default, the manager password is 123, and then you can press this login green button to log in into the software. So once you log in software, you will see all the categories on the main page. These are the categories for the product that don't have the barcode. Obviously, for the product that has the barcode, you don't need to make any buttons. So all you need to do is scan and it will sell automatically. So first of all, I'll show you how to make categories here. By default, we usually make 8-9 categories on this screen. You can make the button smaller if you need more space. So I'll make the button a little bit smaller so we got more space for more categories. To make a category, we need to go to Manager, Pause Items. Once you are in a pause item, click on Category. In the category, you will see all the current categories. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll change the button size for these categories so we have enough space on the main page to add some more categories. So I'll go to settings and I'll change the width to 150 instead of 180. I'll do 160, and height I'll change to 100, and the font I'll increase to 10. And because I want to make these changes to all the buttons, category button, I will take update all. If I don't take update all, what will happen? It will only change one category button size. It won't affect the other categories. So once I press save, the categories button will be changed once you log out and log in again. Or you can click on any category and go back and it will show the new buttons. So now I've made the buttons smaller. You have enough space to add some more categories. Usually in a mobile shop environment, people got up to 10 or 12 categories. So on this page, you got enough categories, and depend on your screen resolution, you might have up to 20, 30 buttons options here. If you want to put pictures, obviously you need to make big buttons. But if you're not, if you don't want to put pictures on the button, then you can make the button even more smaller, and you can add up to 100 or maybe 120 category in one page. So I'll now show you how to add the category. So to add the category, again we go to Manager, Pause Items, Category, press the Add button, write the category name. So we got cover, chargers, headphone, screen protector, bags, tablet cover, repairs, unlock, and miscellaneous. So let's say we want to add another category called used phones. So I'll type the name used phones, and always tick is active. So what this tick will, if you don't tick this is active checkbox, it won't show the button on the main screen. It will still make the category, but it won't show it as a button on the main screen. So I'll tick is active and press save. Now this category is made. If I go back and if I log out again and I log in with manager password, we will see a new button here. Is if you see this red small button, which is use mobile phone. Now this button is very small, so that's why you can't see the fonts and anything on the button. So I'll show you how to make this button bigger. So we'll go back to pause items, category. Click on any category that has the right size. For example, the headphone is got 160, 110 is the right size. So we will click on update all. So what update all will do, it will apply this size to all the button, including the newly made use mobile phone button as well. So if we go back, log in again, you will see there's a new category called used phone. So once I've clicked on used phone, there's no product inside. So cover in cases there's only one product, Apple iPhone X cover. Now I'll show you how to put the picture on the category button. So to put the picture, first you can download any picture from internet. So I'll go to Google Chrome and I'll download a picture, use mobile. So I'll go to images and then we can see use mobile phone here. So you can click on any picture. It's up to you which phone you want to download. So let's say you like this picture, just right click, save image, save it on the desktop. Now it's safe. You can close the browser, go to manager, pause items, category, click on used phone, click on settings, then use this upload button and double click on the picture. The picture is here now and press save. So if we log out again and log in, it will show the picture on the button. So now I'll show you how to add the products in the category. Let's say we got a category called used phone and we want to add some mobile phone in the category. But before I show you how to add the product, I'll want to tell you one important point. Never delete this first category, which is barcode, because this category is not visible. If I edit it, see, it's not active, but this category is used to add all the products that got um, the barcode on it. So all, and these category which are visible are for the product that don't have the barcode, which you want to make on screen button. So never delete this barcode category, otherwise you won't be able to add any product in the barcode section. So now I'll show you how to add a product. So to add a product, go to manager, pause items, go to products this time. Then from the top, choose the category you want to add product. In our case, we want to add product in used phone. Press add, write the product name. So let's say we are adding a product iPhone X. Department, you can make all the departments. I've already made this department. Later in this video I'll show you how to add more departments. So I'll add this to mobile phone use department, and then retail price. What's the selling price? So let's say the selling price is 459, sorry, 460. How many you got in stock? You got, let's say, 5 in stock. And then if you want to add supplier, you can add supplier as well. If there's any IMEI number, you can give the IMEI number as well. But obviously, if you are giving IMEI number, then you can only do one stock and IMEI number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then press save if you want to make this product, or if you want to make this product and also print the label so you can stick as a barcode on the phone, you can then press save and print. It will make a label as well. So at the moment I don't have any barcode printer installed, so I'll just press save and this product is now created. So that means if we go to use phone, you will see iPhone X. If I click on it, it will go to the card. Now I'll show you how to add a picture on this button. So same way, you go to manager, pause items, products, use phone, click on the product, click on settings, and then use this upload picture to double click and add the picture on the product. So if I go back now and if I go to iPhone, see there's a picture here. If you want a small button, for example, it's too many products in one category and you don't want to use this picture feature and you want a small buttons, you can make the buttons small as well. So all you need to do is go to manager, pause items, products, go to use phone, click on the product settings, and this time change the width to 160, height to 60, font size 10, and then tick on active colors, active sizes, and update whole category. And now choose the button color. So let's say you want light blue button with black writing on it, and press save. So if I go back and click on use phone, see the button color is changed, and then later you can remove this picture as well. So to remove the picture, I'll go to pause items, product, use phone, click on iPhone X settings, and then clear the picture and make a plain simple button. So if you see, it's now a small button. So it's up to you if you want to use the picture feature, or if you got too many products, you can make a small buttons here as well. So the main thing is the buttons you are only making for the product that don't have the barcode. If you are using a barcode feature, if you're printing labels which you are going to stick on your products and later scan it, or maybe your products already has the barcode, then you don't need to make it as a button, because then you will be selling it by scanning the barcode. So now I'll show you how to add a product that has a barcode on it. So let's say I've got a product here, headphone, and as soon as I scan it, the software will ask me, do you want to add this product? I will press yes. The barcode will come here automatically. You write the product name. So the product is headphones, and department, I'll choose headphone department, and then I'll give a retail price. So this headphone is 19.99, and then stock, I've got 50 in stock, and then I'll press save. Okay, so all the product that has the barcode automatically goes to this category called barcode. Okay, and I'll press save, and now this product is added. If I scan it again, it will go straight to the cart. So I don't need to press any button. This product will go to the cart. So now I'll finish this order. I'll press pay, and I'm not going to print. So I'll do customer is giving me £50 or is giving me exact amount cash, and this is finished. So this is how you add a barcode product. If you want to change a price for a barcode product, again, it's very easy. You need to go to price change, scan the product. It will show you the current price. Change the price from here and press OK. It's changed. So if I scan this headphone again, it will show the new price, which is £21.99. If customer is taking same headphone more than once, you can always click on quantity and you can increase the quantity to 5, and it's now 5. So you can finish. This time customer is paying by credit card, so it sold. So now if you want to sell something which is as a button, you can sell it and again pay customers. Let's say this time paying you £10 cash and the 9.98 by credit card. You can do multi-pay as well on the finish screen. So far I told you how to make a category, how to add a product in the category, how to add a product which don't belongs to any category, which is a barcode product. Now I'll show you how to see the end of the day sales. To see the end of the day sales, you need to go to Manager, Reports. In the reports, click on Sales. It will show you your cash sale, your credit card sale, and then your net sale, which is the total of cash and credit card, and then total cash sale again, how much cash in the draw, and then sale by user as well. If you want to see a sales analysis, you can click on Sales Analysis. It will show you your sales by department. So how many products you sold from cover and cases, and how many products you sold from headphones. So if you want to see the sales by product, you can click on product wise, and it will now show you how many Apple iPhone cover you sold, how many Samsung cover you sold, and then headphones. You can print any of this sales analysis using this print button. In the sales section, there are two kind of report. One is the X report and the second one is the Z report. If you press X report, it will print the information on the 80 thermal receipt printer, which will be provided with the Epos system. And the only purpose of X report is to, in the middle of the day, if you want to see the sales figure, you can press X report to see the sales figure. Z report will print this information like X report, but it will also reset it to 0. So if I press Z report now, I will save it as a Z report on a desktop. Now if I close this screen, if I come back on the reports and in the sales, it's all 0 because we pressed the Z report. Now I'll show you how the X report and Z report will look like. So this is X report. I'll show you on the screen. So this is X report. It's show you the date and time, and then cash sale, card sale, total sale, and if you have VAT registered, it will show you the VAT collected as well. Same is the Z report. It's exactly the same. The only difference in the X report and Z report is Z report will reset the sales to 0 for the next business day. So far I've showed you how to see the sales, how to add a product which don't have a barcode, how to add a product which has the barcode. So now I'm going to show you how to book a job. So if you have a new repair job, you need to go to Jobs, Add Jobs. In the Add Jobs, first you need to make a customer. To make a customer, you press this Find button and then Add Customer. Take the customer number, which is compulsory. Take the customer name Address and postcode is optional, email address is optional, and then assign a credit limit to customer. This is compulsory. So if you don't do credit, still you need to write any credit limit here and press save. Now this customer is created. Now you want to continue with the job, so you double click on the customer, and then for example, this customer bring you iPhone 7 Plus, and the fault is broken screen, and you are promising the customer on 10th of October that repair will be done by 10th of October, and then click on status, choose job created, color silver, let's say. And then if you are using a sign pad, you can link this Epos system with the signature pad. So if you want to take a customer signature for that he is accepting your terms and condition, then you have to buy an additional device signature pad, which is around 80-90 pound extra. And then you can double click on this no image data and ask the customer to sign here. Customer will sign using the pen, which is linked with your Epos system, and press OK. So this sign will be linked with this job, and then you press continue. So once you press continue, now this job is created. But if customer, for example, with this job, you are obviously selling, there's a screen needs to be replacement. So if you want to charge customer for any parts, you can charge him for the part. Let's say this is a screen replacement. So I'll change it for you. So let's say this button is a screen for iPhone X, and the price for the screen is 50.00. So later you can make it as a button, but for now I'll just change it. And now you can go pay. Customer is not paying anything at this stage because the phone is not repaired. You can click on not paid, and then it will print a receipt with all your terms and condition on it and a customer signature on it. And you can save it. On the bottom of the receipt there's a barcode as well, so when the customer comes back you can scan the barcode and you can search for the job as well.